First, take the ellipse tool. Then make a circle. Click on the direct selection. Then click the circle. Click and drag the center point down. Then click here to sharpen the corner. Now we got a nice location icon. After that you have to take ellipse tool again. And a circle should be created right in the middle of the location icon. I changed its color to white. After that, select both and take the shape builder tool. Now hold down Alt and click. Select the type tool. Enter the required name. You select the font according to your needs. You can capitalize the name as you wish. It would be nice to make the location icon a little smaller. I changed the font color. This is the color code. Click the name. Object. Expand up. Right-click. Ungroup. Select it. Click the Alter button and drag it into the location icon. Align it on the center. Make it a little bigger. Click the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle equal to this empty space. This is done so that all characters have the same space between them. If there is such a problem, go to View. Click here. Select both. Pathfinder. Unite. Draw a circle equal to the circle of I. Change the color. Delete this circle. Make a small location icon. Copy and paste it here. Select pen tool. Draw a line from here to here. Select the line. Increase female color. Select this too. Click here. And here. Click Type tool. Type your tagline. Bring it here. Set as you need. Change the color. We have a beautiful logo.